like a co-wash. Ugh. Like, I can't stand co-washes. I really cannot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diane, and on this channel I focus on empowering and improving oneself from within, i.e. mental wellness, to beauty, fashion, and every little thing in between. So today's video is going to be a hair video, and this hair video is talking about, basically I want to do a hair series that kind of gets back to basics when it comes to hair care. I feel like not everyone knows, even though people are like, oh, you should know this, you know, but not everybody knows. So I kind of want to start off the hair basics series with hair conditioners. And I think it's an important aspect to the hair game, especially to the natural hair game, like the natural girls like myself. I just have my hair straightened right now. Conditioning really helps with repairing and damaging. And I just realized I have a ton of split ends. I'm just seeing it right now and it's like freaking me out. Yeah, I definitely have to trim my ends. I'm going to. Can really help with hair repair, damage, moisturizing on it, all good things, right? So today we're going to be discussing four different, I know there's more, but 4 different main types of hair conditioners, i.e. deep conditioners, leave-in conditioners, regular conditioners, and hair masks. I know that I feel like a hair wash is washing your hair with conditioner. Like a co-wash, ugh. Like, I can't stand co-washes. I really cannot. I did that one time and I used the As I Am brand and never again. Nothing personal. I just don't think that it really washed my hair as good as I needed it to, because in a few days my hair was just like super flaky and dirty. So I was just like, okay. No, just like coconut oil doesn't do anything for my hair. Shea butter does, but coconut oil, no. And so with these hair conditioners, right, it excuse me, it varies from company to company, and you should always just read the label and make sure that you're following the instructions that they give you. Just because sometimes like the hair masks are stronger than maybe the deep conditioner, and so where it's like, I'll just do the hair mask for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, the deep conditioner you can do it for like, I know they say 40 minutes, but I do it for like an hour or 2. So it's all about, 1, preference, 2, the company, and honestly making sure. See, some of these companies, they're really getting money off Black women, and because not because I'm like, oh, I should be making money off of that, but it's just like, be genuine in your stuff, right? Like, you know that we care about our hair. Don't just promote something. I know, I get it. You're supposed to want to make money for it, but make sure your advertisement is doing what the product says and what the product does. Don't have, I don't know, a 3A girl in the commercial talking about bouncy curls, but it says like 4C on the packaging. Great for 4C hair. And it's like, I don't know about y'all. I have 4C hair. Once again, my hair is just straightened. I cannot pull off a wash and go, like where you do all the curls and then you just go about your day. I can't pull that off. And I'm not going to, because by day 2, I'll be looking like that meme. Is that Samuel Jackson meme? I'll put it up right here, and it's not going to work well for me. So for deep conditioners, like I said, deep conditioners, you're only supposed to leave it. Most companies say 40 minutes. I do a couple of hours because I mix all of my deep conditioners. And because sometimes I feel like my hair is dry, my hair is brittle, or whatever the situation is. And so I don't feel like, hey, maybe one is going to work for me. So I tend to just do all and kind of see what sticks, right? And deep conditioners, they're for treatment as well. But like I said, it's for like the dry, brittle hair. Most deep conditioners do different things. You have some of them that focus from the root to scalp. Some of them just focus on the hair. So always go by what your hair needs. I know people are out there telling you, oh, try this product. But always remember, hey, your hair texture is not their hair texture. Like, that product may work. I'm not saying that they're lying, but I'm saying that the product may work for them, but it may not work for you. with using the deep conditioner, you don't need to wash it out. Once you're done, you tend to do it after you shampoo your hair, after you condition your hair, and then do the deep conditioning treatment, and then just rinse it out whenever the time is up. To save water, I try to be a little bit cost effective in this house. I wash my hair either in the sink or in the tub, but currently my baby bump is not allowing me to get as low into the tub. So I've been doing it in the sink, and then I rinse my hair out in the shower, which I think saves a lot more money as opposed to showering while I'm doing everything, while I'm washing my hair and doing all this stuff. So conditioner number 2 is a hair mask. And remember how I mentioned earlier, some masks definitely vary by the company and what it says it's gonna do. It's a lot more intense. Sometimes with these hair masks, I know you can sit under the dryer, even with the deep conditioners too, on super low heat, just making sure that your cuticles on your hair and your scalp just kind of opens up and kind of takes in whatever products that is being distributed. And so hair masks tend to focus on the roots to the hair, mainly, just to focus on the hair growth process. And it may be pricier than deep conditioners, but of course it varies by brand, and the brand needs to let you know how to use that hair mask treatment for it to be effective. So please just follow directions on that. Do not listen to me. I don't do hair masks. So I just do deep conditioners and conditioners. Conditioner number 3 is just a regular hair conditioner. You normally put it in after you shampooed your hair. And once you've shampooed your hair, you can, I normally do 3 washes, but everyone is different. It's your life and it's your hair. So since I don't do a conditioner because I'm about to do a deep conditioner on my hair. I don't need to add conditioner to my hair just to rinse it out in 5 minutes. So you can do that conditioner. Sometimes you leave it in your hair for 5 minutes and then rinse it out. Detangle it while the conditioner is in. I've seen help people with finer hair texture. It hasn't helped me yet. I haven't found one that has helped me yet. And oftentimes the regular conditioner makes your hair more manageable once you wash your hair to kind of comb it out and style however it need be. So conditioner number 4, final conditioner, is the leave-in conditioner. I use a leave-in conditioner after I wash my hair and I'm twisting my hair. I don't go back and add it, but there are some companies that have the spray bottles that you can do, even the lotion-y kind of style. You can use it to style your hair. It can sometimes be used in place of a detangling conditioner, but and you can use it as often as you see fit, and it's just there to keep your hair moisturized. I think I've seen a lot of people use more leave-in conditioners when their hair is in twist outs to keep the moisture, because the air is just drying up your hair, and so to go back in and just kind of refresh and repurpose for tomorrow. So so like I said, conditioners are great. Conditioners are honestly necessary. They're a necessary step to your hair care. Regardless of what you do, what kind of shampoos you use, you always should use whatever type of hair treatment conditioner, because your hair will forever need it. Because as Black women, or even other, I only know Black hair. So for me as a Black woman, my hair gets dry out super quickly. I haven't had a relaxer in my hair since 2013. And I did the big chop in 2014. And so my hair has gone through it. Okay. Now my hair kind of has found its place in the world. It's been a little bit easier to manage my hair because my hair is in twists every day. And then I wash my hair once a month. And that seems to work for my hair. That grows my hair. So always, always do what's best for you and your hair. Only you know your hair type, but try out some products to try to figure out, well, what is best for my hair, right? And what will work for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. I hope you guys can, leave me a comment. What kind of conditioners do you use? Are you a deep conditioning kind of girl, hair mask, leave-in? What? Or do you recommend some good conditioners that I should know about? So hopefully you guys learned something, enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. all optional. And I see you guys next time. Bye.